Deploy SWAT. Prioritize civilian extraction. We need to assess their attack vector.
Push through the swarm! Move! Get to the objective now!
We're losing the drone, Commander. The feed is breaking up.
Switch to thermal.
It's useless. We can't get a lock through the static.
Commander, the swarm is jamming the signal.
Thermal imaging is useless. We can't target them.
What is the status of the nest?
The drone feed is down, Commander. The thermal scope can't acquire a target. It's just static.
Fall back! We need suppressive fire!
I can't move! They're on me!
Commander, they're adapting too fast.